Is this cycle going to be just like the previous ones in terms of the 4-year cycle, the bull market, and then the bear market of 2 or 3 years, and then come back up after a few months after the halving and so on? Is this cycle going to be different given all that's happened?
I believe it's going to be completely different because actually the people that are buying Bitcoin and crypto assets today are very different from the people that were buying Bitcoin and crypto assets yesterday, right? The investor base, very different, much more diversified, and kind of the factors that are moving the prices of crypto assets are very different from what we had before, where it was really a niche market for specialized speculators, retail investor, or semi-retail investors, right? Today we have an asset that is basically everybody knows already. We have regulators that are making the asset available in regulatory frameworks to everybody. We have products that anybody can buy. We have public companies that are buying these assets. So we have kind of an asset that is already distributed to everybody. As the investor base and the narratives change, also the cycle, the structure of the cycle will change.
Off camera, I was asking you about Dubai 2049. How is the mood there? I mean, were a lot of people excited about the recent rally in Bitcoin and others? I think the industry, the entire industry was there.
Yeah.
Just to tell us what you saw, sort of the color of the industry at the moment.
Well, the industry is obviously extremely happy about the recent rally. But I think there is a big disconnect between what's happening in the Bitcoin world versus what's happening in the rest of the world. Bitcoin, we have these I think 3 very important points, right? So we have the macroeconomic environment, the geopolitical tensions, this kind of need for a, I would say, new trust layer that is decentralized outside the box. And it's neutral. It's not geopolitically biased towards one part of the world or the other. So we have this kind of macro narrative that is very important for Bitcoin. We have the micro narrative of all these corporate treasuries buying Bitcoin, already holding more than 3.5% of the total supply, which is a lot, but nothing considering that only 70 public listed companies have bought Bitcoin today.